welcome back. We are going to work on prepositions. A preposition connects a noun or pronoun to another part of a sentence. So if I have the mole is in the hole, the word in connects the mole to the hole. So it shows the relationship between them. Okay, it shows the relationship between the noun or pronoun and the other words in the sentence. Okay, a preposition connects a noun or pronoun to another part of a sentence. The mole is in the hole. Now, a prepositional phrase begins with the preposition, the word in, that we identified before, and it ends with a noun or pronoun. So the mole is in the hole. The word in is connecting the mole to the hole. So today we are going to work on identifying prepositions. Getting fancy with my little sheet, aren't I? So let's look. The storm is heading toward our town. Well, where is the storm heading? Toward. The word toward is the preposition that connects the storm to the town. So we have to find the noun, which is the storm, and it connects to another noun. How is the storm connected to the town? It's going toward our town. So if I was looking for the entire prepositional phrase, it begins with the preposition and ends with the noun. Toward our town is the prepositional phrase. Toward is the preposition. Okay, let's try another one. The dark clouds are above our heads. Well, I'm looking for a position here. It's the word above. Above is the preposition. And what are we talking about? We're talking about the clouds. This is the noun, the clouds, and our heads. And the prepositional phrase is above our heads. Above our heads. Okay? How about the next one? We should go in the house. Well, who are we talking about? We. And what are we talking about? The house. What should we do? We should go in. So in is the preposition, and the prepositional phrase is in the house, because the house is time where we should go. We is the pronoun, and house is the noun. We want to be dry during the storm. Well, what are we connecting? We're connecting we and the storm, so it's the word during. During the storm. So the prepositional phrase is during the storm. The preposition is during, that is connecting the pronoun we to the storm. And the last one, I see the sun beyond the clouds. Well, we're going to connect I and the clouds with the word beyond, and the prepositional phrase beyond the clouds. So you can see toward our town answers the question where, right? The storm is heading where? Toward our town. So we're connecting the storm and the town. We're connecting the clouds and our heads. We're connecting we and the house. We're connecting we and the storm, and we're connecting I and the clouds. Actually, we're connecting sun and the clouds. The sun is beyond the clouds. Okay. So you have a fun activity. It says, a preposition is a word that shows the relationship between the noun or pronoun and the other words in the sentence. The ball is in the pool. We're connecting the ball and the pool. Where is the ball to the pool? It's in the pool. Okay? You have 4 little balls. You're going to color those 4 balls and cut them out. Stay on the lines of the squares. Then you have these 4 big squares. You're going to color each of these pictures and cut on the solid line. Okay? And I told you need another piece of paper. You can use one this size, or when I did it, I used a piece of construction paper that I had. So here is Prepositions, which is the title right off this page. And there's the explanation, the definition of a preposition. And then I put the 4 big pieces here. But you notice, see where that dotted line is? That's where I glued it. I glued just the top. And it says the ball is in front of the boy. So that ball has to be in front of the boy because it shows the relationship. And then underneath, I drew a picture of a house with a walkway to show that the walkway is in front of the house. I needed to draw another picture to show in front of. So the ball is in front of the boy, the walkway is in front of the house. Okay? The next picture sentence says the ball is under the table. So you have to glue one of the balls under the table. And then you have to draw a picture of something under something. So Mrs. Bedard can't draw it all. I did very simple drawings. I drew a toy box under my bed. Can you see that? Under my bed. I shouldn't have done this in pencil. See my walkway in front of the house? My toys under the bed. This one says the ball is on the bed. So it doesn't matter which ball you put where. This ball is on the bed. And then for a picture here, I did a hat is on the lady's head. On. And the last one, the ball is beside the tree. So your ball has to be beside the tree. And then I put the girl is beside her friend. And even though I didn't write the sentences, you can tell that sentence that would go with your picture. So the ball is in front of the boy. The walkway is in front of the house. You should say that to an adult. And that is the end of our lesson on prepositions. So I want you to take a picture of this and send it to me so that I can see that all the balls are in the right place. But if you cut these out and just put them on a piece of paper this size, it will work. You do not need to use a giant piece of paper. You can use a piece of paper this size. Because remember, these little pictures are going to go on here, but make sure you do another drawing underneath. I'll see you later for math.